Okay, guys, good morning, good afternoon. It's the next day. So you can check for the head that came off. I removed everything. I removed the exhaust system, carburetor again, loosen all the bolts. So it should come off now. So that we can see what is going on. And let me just take that oil away there before it run over an area that I don't want it to run. Okay, I'll bring you closer. Doesn't look good at all there. Lots of carbon. And at this point it looks if there's the head gasket went on that area. But we will check now. Let me just get all these head bolts. Okay, I'll bring you closer now. Let me just put this somewhere. And one of the push rods dropped out. Here it is. Okay, my hands is full of oil, but let me bring you closer. Okay, we will have a close look, but there, this is the area where I see the oil drip off at the bottom. So it might be in this area. I will check if I remove the gasket, but first I want to take all that oil off so that it don't run off and makes us don't know what's going on. Let's look at the top. Okay guys, you can see it's on magnification, but this is the bottom side. So there's a lot of oil and it can come from there. So I need to check everything out. I'll do a little bit of an investigation and bring you back. Okay guys, there is the sleeve. It looks actually very nice. But there is a ridge, a little ridge just there, and you can barely feel it with your finger. On top of is nothing, just there, but it's really about zero. You can, a man is able to feel up to about 5 microns with your finger. That is about the norm. But this is the gasket. I can't see anything really wrong around here. But on the other side, on the head side, it looked really if there was a problem. Okay, this is the top. Né? The gasket is off. So this side looks good, I think. Okay, and there is, of course, a lot of oil. And this is where the push rods run. So it's either a top gasket or valve stem seals, will I say. So I will look in there. And on the top side, let's look there. Okay guys, this is the gasket. There's nothing serious that one can see with the naked eye. But it is wet, very wet. So I guess you can see for this areas, I'm not 100% sure if the valve stem seals, they must sit in that area behind the springs. If they are shot, but you can see here on this side, on the inlet side, it looked more like oil. I will in any case take the valves out so that we can see anything with the seals and so on. Okay, my friends, I will clean up a little bit of the stuff, and I will also take the valves out and clean up, and then we will make a decision what we need to do. I will also look for cracks. Okay guys, I will be busy for the rest of the week, so I don't think it will be a video on it for the rest of the week, but we will see, maybe the weekend, then I will come back to you. Okay my friends, see you on the next one. Bye bye.